When it comes to rotary tools, Dremel is a name that stands out for reliability and versatility. Among their most popular options, the Dremel 3000, 4000, and 4300 models are frequently compared by DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike. While they may appear similar at first glance, each model offers unique features and improvements tailored to different needs and preferences. Let's start with the Dremel 3000. This model is well known for its simplicity, reliability, and affordability. The 3000 is equipped with a 1.2 amp motor, which provides enough power for most light to moderate tasks such as sanding, grinding, polishing, and engraving. Its variable speed ranges from 5,000 to 32,000 revolutions per minute, giving users decent control over their work. The 3000's ergonomic design includes Dremel's iconic EZ twist nose cap, which allows for toolless accessory changes, a feature that significantly improves workflow for quick jobs or frequent bit swaps. However, one limitation is its compatibility with accessories and attachments. While it supports most Dremel accessories, some of the more advanced attachments may not fit this model. The 3000 is ideal for beginners, or those who plan to use it for occasional household repairs and crafts. Moving up, the Dremel 4000 represents a significant step forward in both power and versatility. It features a more robust 1.6 amp motor, which translates to improved performance, especially during heavy-duty tasks. The speed range is slightly wider, from 5,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute, allowing finer control and adaptability to a broader range of materials and projects. One of the standout features of the 4000 is its electronic feedback circuitry. This technology maintains consistent speed and power under load, so the tool won't bog down or slow as you apply pressure. The Dremel 4000 is also fully compatible with all of Dremel's attachments and accessories, including more advanced options like the multi-saw or the router attachment. This makes the 4000 a solid pick for frequent users, crafters, and professionals who need more flexibility, power, and reliability. At the top of the range sits the Dremel 4300. This model is designed for maximum performance and convenience. The 4300 houses a 1.8 amp motor, the most powerful among the three, making it capable of tackling tougher jobs such as metal cutting, intensive grinding, and extended use without overheating. Its variable speed is similar to the 4000, also spanning 5,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute, but the motor's power ensures those speeds are maintained, even through denser materials. A major upgrade in the 4300 is its collet-less three-jaw chuck system. Unlike the collet system of the 3000 and 4000, the 4300's chuck allows you to change accessories quickly and without needing a wrench or multiple collet sizes, further streamlining your workflow. Additionally, the 4300 features an integrated pivot light, an LED placed at the front of the tool to illuminate the work area, which is particularly useful for precision work in dimly lit spaces. Like the 4000, the 4300 shod is compatible with all Dremel attachments and accessories. But its enhanced power, ease of accessory changes, and lighting make it especially appealing to demanding users and professionals. In summary, the Dremel 3000 is best suited for casual users looking for affordability and simplicity. The 4000 offers more power, improved speed control, and full compatibility for users who need versatility and reliability. The 4300 stands out with its most powerful motor, innovative chuck system, and built-in lighting, making it ideal for heavy-duty, precision, and professional applications. Choosing the right Dremel depends on how often you use it, the complexity of your projects, and the features that matter most to you.